My girlfriend does, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take her.
Yeah, I designed all the buildings and I built all the buildings.
It's amazing.
This scale is basically 1/24th, which is 1/2 inch equals a foot.
Uh-huh. That's crazy that you built it too.
That's pretty cool.
How long did this take you?
I've been doing it since 1994.
Really?
Yeah, it's quite a while, huh?
This isn't a winter tape 2-day job.
Yeah, yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
And I said, that's fine. You know, we can do. He said, well, it's great. He's so
Really?
I wouldn't do it.
Really?
So I taught him how to use a sewing machine, and he said, you're good.
Wow.
You can believe that. He really did. I wouldn't do it.
That's impressive, I tell you.
But if I do something right, so I refuse to do it. He's got it all on Velcro, so he's going to be taken down and washed.
It's pretty neat.
It's fun. Most of the buildings have figures inside them like this church.
Oh yeah?
Take them off. You can see
Oh yeah.
he built all of that, including the little candelabras.
Wow. Wow.
The plane will crash into the mountain.
Yeah.
So did you think up all this, or did you have any inspiration for any of this?
No, I just
Like the gondola, that's a pretty neat idea. I've never seen anything like that.
The what?
The gondola there and everything, that's pretty cool.
see the gondola go forward.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now all of this lights up.
Oh really?
Switch off there, hang on, put the lights on.
Oh wow. Wow. It's crazy.
My cousin Ben, he's a real fan, and he's a photographer. He goes around and he photographs the trains when they come in and everything. And he does layouts like not anywhere extravagant as this, but he's going to do this. Yeah. disc. They did a pretty cool little layout too.
Did you see my beach girls? Right over here.
Oh yeah.
You see the theater in town,
Yeah.
Hell's Angels? That is actually the first sound picture made by Howard Hughes in 1923.
Really?
And I have the DVD of it.
Oh wow.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, where'd you get that at? You
It
probably had
was-
to do some searching, huh?
It was advertised in one of my aviation magazines.
Wow.
And I sent off for the DVD. And on each side of the marquee has the names of the actors and actresses on it. So that's an actual, as it says, the first sound motion picture in 1920.
Wow.
Well, I didn't even notice all the little sheep up here on the
Yeah.
mountain here.
I got a
Wow.
moose up here and a bear.
You got a bald eagle up there. Oh, I didn't see the waterfall there either.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of detail went into this, man.
Oh, yeah.
It
yeah,
is. It's remarkable.
You can go ahead and turn the light back on,
How
Heinz.
come the horse building doesn't light up?
What doesn't light up? I notice I've got a problem with it. Always something electrical. That doesn't light up and the tunnel's not lighting up.
Yeah, you're right, it's not.
I gotta have that, check that out. Probably a loose connection on the control panel.
Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't get a kick out of this? Yeah.
Will you take in payment for a new water thingy? Would you take it for part of it for the new water thingy?
Well, if I had my way, I probably would. This is cool. It makes you feel like a little kid again.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Because I was a pilot in the Air Force, I had to have an aircraft accident.
That's right. Oh, were you a pilot?
Yeah.
Really?
I come from a Air Force family. Both my mom and my dad were in the Air Force.
Oh, really?
Yeah, now my brother and his wife are in the Air Force. They're stationed in Las Vegas. I wish I could visualize this. A lot of yeah, my mom.
It's a shame, because that is a wonderful, retirement purposes, it's a whole bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, they'll,